As you already know, batik has been recognized by UNESCO as Indonesia Cultural Heritage. But unfortunately, despite its designation, batik is often claimed as a culture from other countries.
The background of this idea is that there are still many Indonesian students who do not understand batik.
Things like this can dilute the culture of batik. By studying batik, at least it can maintain the integrity of batik culture in Indonesia.
Moreover, it is done by the younger generation who will continue and maintain this culture.
Can I have your time?
Sure, you can have.
I want to ask you, do you know what's the name of this pattern? Do you know what's the name of this pattern? Do you know what's the name of this pattern?
Sorry, but I didn't recognize this pattern, but I know this is a batik.
Okay. Oh, I see. This is batik Kawung from Central Java.
This is from Central Java.
Yes.
This looks so magnificent to me.
Okay. Thank you for your time. Please have a nice day. Can I have your time, please?
Oh, sure.
Do you know what's the name of this pattern?
Sure. That's batik kaum, right?
Yes, it is right. This is batik Kawung from Central Java. Thank you, Miss. Please have a nice day.
You're welcome.
You can see it, guys. We can find out that there are still many people, especially college students, who are not too familiar with batik. Even though batik is one of the great heritage passed down from generation to generation in Indonesia. Batik is the work of the Indonesian people, which is a combination of art and technology by the ancestor of the Indonesian people. Indonesian batik has been recognized by UNESCO. So, our team has a new innovation to create a batik edu game that is expected to solve the issue of the lack of knowledge of batik culture among students. Batik Edu is an application to introduce batik to elementary students with a fun and not boring concept. By using VR technology, Batik Edu will not be left behind and can prevent negative issue about batik in the future.
Batik Edu application is used in elementary schools as one of the effective learning solutions in cultural arts subjects for elementary schools students regarding Indonesian batik. Batik Edu aims to introduce Indonesian batik to elementary school students so they can preserve Indonesian batik as it should be. The solution is applied and targeted for elementary school students who are already in grade 3 to grade 6, who will be guided directly by teachers in cultural art subjects so that they can recognize Indonesian batik from an early age. Let's move to the details of Batik Edu application.
This is the main menu of Batik Edu application, which is has three features that are study, community, and games. In the study feature, it is further divided into four menus. They are the history of batik, which is the display is the history of Indonesian batik, which has become a legacy from the ancestor of the Indonesian people. The point is that user can know the origin of batik. 2. Batik equipment, which is display what equipment or material tools are used in the process of making batik. 3. Pattern of batik, which is display various pattern of batik from each region that produce batik in Indonesia. the process of making batik using VR technology. This menu invites users to learn and to make their own batik using the VR technology. Then the community feature is useful for upload batik result made by user. Here, user can also like and comment on the batik result. As the for game feature, there are 3 games that are very exciting for Batik Edu users. The first game is quiz. Here user will play a game of guessing the name of batik by bringing up batik pattern and guessing the name of the tool used as well as what are the shape in the process making batik. The second game is coloring. Here user can color batik with a choice of color preferred by a user. The third game is matching batik pattern. Here the user is introduced to match which pattern to batik the most appropriate to complete the box marked with a question mark.
The conclusion is, Batik Edu is an application to introduce batik to students by presenting a concept that is fun and not boring. By looking at the future provide, Batik Edu is an easy-to-use application that makes people have a new learning about batik. Overall, Batik Edu can help students to learn and maintain batik in Indonesia.